Kiara from APC. Welcome back to Spec Talks, where we explore advanced specifications for flooring across a range of commercial and retail spaces. In this episode, we're looking at flooring specifications for hardware stores, spaces that need to perform reliably under pressure while still presenting well to customers. When it comes to hardware areas, ease of maintenance is a top priority. These stores tend to accumulate dust and debris quickly from foot traffic, product movement, and the occasional spill. A flooring system with a sealed, easy clean surface makes daily upkeep simple and ensures the space remains presentable and safe throughout the day. Durability is another essential factor. With trolleys in constant use, tools frequently dropped, and equipment being shifted, the floor must hold up to regular impact and abrasion without showing premature signs of wear. It's about specifying systems that are built to perform under tough conditions. And of course, longevity is key. In retail environments like these, shutting down to repair or replace flooring can be disruptive and expensive. That's why we recommend systems that are designed to go the distance, delivering long-term performance while reducing downtime and costs. Depending on the size, layout, and foot traffic in store, there are a few system options that may be suitable. For general hardware areas with moderate traffic, our cut and coat system offers a practical and cost-effective solution. It's straightforward to install, and its sealed finish makes cleaning quick and hassle-free. Ideal for smaller stores or zones like tool aisles and checkout areas. For more heavy-duty sections, such as trade counters, back-of-house loading areas, or high-traffic retail floors, the UltraFlake system is a popular choice. Available in 5 different finishes, this system delivers excellent impact resistance. The decorative flake also adds texture for increased slip resistance, which is particularly helpful in areas where spills or tracked in dust may be present. For a simple, clean look with dependable performance, our plain coat system offers a minimalist, seamless finish. It's easy to maintain, resistant to wear, and helps keep the space looking tidy with minimal effort. Thanks for joining us on this episode. For more information on specifying flooring for hardware environments, or to access data sheets, samples, and system guides, get in touch with our team on 1-800-437-699. We'll see you next time.